Quick disclaimer. This is for everyone. You do not have to be a Therian to have fun and make a den. This video is just generally for Therians and related identities, but please don't let that stop you from having fun. Okay, the first step to making a den is to find somewhere in your house where you feel comfortable and safe that can hold a den. For example, mine is underneath my loft bed. Step 2 is to gather your materials. First, you need pillows. Lots of pillows. Then, you need blankets. A lot of blankets. Generally, make sure they're blankets that you don't really care about because they're going to go on top of the pillows and then other things will go on top of them so you won't see them. Make your frame. So this is going to be the base of your nest. I have this giant body pillow that I found in my house, but you do not need to have that. If you don't have something like what I have, then you just use pillows. So instead of a thing like that, you just take the pillows and maneuver them into the same kind of shape. Like that. But I'm using a body pillow. And then you're gonna need pillows for the inside. Make sure they're soft and fluffy pillows. You can fluff them up. Make sure they're really, really fluffy. And then you stick them in the middle of that nest. Choose 1 or 2 blankets to go over the complete frame and spread them out and then tuck them into the bottom of the frame. Grab the remaining pillows. They're gonna go along the side of the nest like this. You're just gonna make it like a little chair. Something like that. I don't know. I sound weird. You're gonna want it to end up looking somewhat like this. It can look different depending on where you are putting your den. Then go back to the blankets. You're gonna use the remaining of them and tuck them in like we did last time, but around the other pillows. Then the last blanket over it, like my brown one, should be the one that you're okay. Then get whatever decorative blanket you want. I'm choosing animal patterned ones. And you just lay them onto the nest like that. You can do it however you want. See, look, now it's all comfy. Okay, this part is optional, but if you have any extra pillows or stuffed animals that you want to put in there, you can take fake vines and leaves and decorate your den with it. This is my finishing product. It's underneath my bunk bed. I took vines to line the outside of it, and then I took another pillow and placed it around the back to support my head when I'm sitting in it like a normal chair. Then I took some decorative pillows and stuffed animals to decorate it and feel more like home.